Okay, hopefully this is working. Yep, it is. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about my pop-on veneers that I recently got. Um, so I have always not had the best smile, but just recently, about a year ago, I actually lost a tooth. This one right here, and it was devastating because I mean, nobody wants to smile looking crazy. I was actually using these little plastic beads that you buy online, and you can melt them in hot water and mold your own teeth and using that. And it's such a pain in the butt because you have to make a new one every so often. Your teeth get yellow. It gets yellower, and it's just a pain. So I checked out Pop on Veneers. It popped up on my Facebook, and I was like real skeptical about it, just because, you know, you never know what you're getting, especially offline. I can't really afford a dentist right now because I am in the middle of doing chemo and I can't work, so I really can't afford a dentist. But I can't afford these. These are very affordable. I only paid $100 down with the payment plan that I did with them. They sent me an impression kit, and I sent my impressions off. I bit down into it. It literally took just some minutes. They send you a little QR code, and you watch a video, and it tells you how to do it. So it was really easy. It was kind of too easy there for a minute. I was kind of worried, but so I bit into these little, it's like clay molds, and I sent it off. And then literally 2 weeks later, they sent me my veneers. So this is my teeth, and I'm going to show you guys my real teeth here in just a second. So these are my teeth. Okay, you can see where my front one's missing, and I'm missing multiples. Like I said, I can't really get any dental work done right now anyway, even with the insurance that I just recently got with the cancer, because I'm doing chemo and nobody will see me and do anything for me until I'm done with that. But here is the molds. Okay. All right. Now, really, let me show you the actual, my teeth. Okay, so check this out. Here is my veneers in, right? It's amazing. You hear my daughter in the background saying hello. All right, here they are. I'll take out the top. And I can literally just kind of pop them out with my tongue. All right. See? Now look. You can hear them click in. Ta-da! And as soon as I put them in, I was able to talk and, just go on about my day. My daughter's probably going to come into the video, as you can tell. But, so yeah, that is it. Oh, I should probably show you this. So your molds, this is how they do it. So here's my veneers. Here's my teeth, my real teeth. And look, see? They fit over the mold. And ta-da! Guys, it's amazing. It really is. Everybody loves them. Really, nobody's even really noticed. If it's kind of something that you really don't want to share with everybody, then it's really not that noticeable, unless you point it out like I did. I was so excited. I was like, look at my new teeth, But I do love it. It's really worth it. So if you're thinking about doing it, hopefully, maybe my video will help somebody make that decision. I'm going to say go for it.